Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I will uh, teach you how to create your Anaconda environment. First of all, I want to extend it uh, as description, as in understand as to build your understanding about creating environment. Environment is just like a backend who is running on the basis of the libraries, on the basis of some extra third party libraries that you want to use in your Python code, or maybe some deep learning to achieve some deep learning task like neural networks, convolutional to perform some classification, RCNN, CNN, and LSTM, and many other things. So firstly, if you are a beginner, you will find some problem. Like if you are following some tutorial, uh, like on the running end, you will miss some concept about building an environment. So for your environment, if you want to create, you just open your Anaconda. Anaconda is the distribution of Python in which you can see. Let me first. This is home. You can use Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, and Spider, VS Code. Like everything is provided by Anaconda. So my purpose is to install the environment. So you need to create environment, a new environment, my new environment, or you can name it as you want. Here's a Python version. You will use any version you can pick and then create. If while you are creating, you can find how many libraries that is installed, like as a base root. For example, if you are using TensorFlow or some other libraries, you will find that it will not automatically or built in installed in your current in your newly created Anaconda environment. So to use it, to use any third party libraries, or any functionality you want to include, like Keras, TensorFlow, NumPy, Panda, so you need to install it up by yourself. um, by searching it here you, it will take some time to create your environment, see. And then uh, it will be ready to use. Yes, so you will see that in this environment, if you write TensorFlow, it will show us you all the search results that has TensorFlow libraries or some other distribution that maybe you will find helpful, or maybe you will need. So here TensorFlow is, this checkbox is not checked. If in my other environment, like for example this test tutorial is my old, like previously created TensorFlow environment. In that particular environment, I have installed TensorFlow by myself. So you will see that in installed packages, when I click TensorFlow, it will show me all the results that I have already installed, and also there is a green tick mark. Green tick mark means this library is already installed. And you can also find some version, and you can upgrade also. So in my new environment where I haven't installed TensorFlow, I will just first select what I want and then I will apply it, and after applying it will install, like this library will install in my environment, and then I can use any library as per my requirement. So you will select all, TensorFlow or Keras, anything you want. Just check that and apply. After uh, checking and applying, it will search for all the dependencies and all the packages that is dependent. For example, there are some dependencies. If I use sci learn SCI learn, it will ask me to install TensorFlow, or maybe there are some dependencies of one libraries on another. So he'll ask me about, like, if you are installing your new libraries, your previous library may be effect, or maybe you can upgrade to find some compatibility match. So here you will find there are a lot of packages that need to install for TensorFlow and Keras. So altogether it is 54 packages. So you will apply it, and when you apply you will feel it will take maybe 1 hour, and after installing you can use it. Hope you will enjoy my video, and don't forget to like my video and also subscribe my channel to get more interesting tutorials on Python and deep learning.